Hi, I'm Eva Weston, a registered dietitian specializing in food allergies and intolerances, as well as gastrointestinal diagnoses. This recipe may not be right for everyone. Ask your healthcare provider to help you figure out what works best for you. This pancake stack is incredibly versatile, full of protein and gentle fiber, and the high liquid content that makes it easier for physical digestion. Go ahead and grab your ingredients, that milk of choice, protein powder, pancakes, which may be a local version like Trader Joe's or Crepini, or you may make your own. There's a 3-ingredient pancake recipe at the end of this video from the kitchen. If you're using Bob's, measure this almond protein powder about 1/3 of a cup. It has a nice mild custard flavor. I love that it's a single ingredient. If you choose a different protein powder, you probably have to play with the ratios a little bit. Again, grab that milk of choice. I like this milk here. I'm not affiliated with any brands. If you choose a different protein powder or liquid option for these portions, they may vary. Start with a little bit of liquid and add slowly as you go to prevent lumps and determine the thickness of the custard that you're making. So as you mix it into a custard, again, going slowly and smoothly so that the lumps are not formed and you get to that desired consistency. Bob's has fiber, so it absorbs liquid. Keep that in mind if you use this one. I like to use cold pancakes, but feel free to warm them up. You begin spreading the custard on the pancakes. If you do warm them, it may thin the custard a little bit, so keep that in mind. Again, if you play with the recipe ingredients some, you may play with the recipe a little more. Continue layering the custard and pancakes until all of it is used, stacking them until it's finished. I like to stack the pancakes and add additional custard to the top if I didn't use it. I throw this together very quickly. It's very difficult to mess up. Vanilla Skyr yogurt is a great addition because this is not a very sweet recipe using these ingredients. I like to top it with about 1/2 a container of vanilla skyr, maybe some cinnamon or anything else that I have on hand. And that's it. You're done. You can have it as an entree or share it with a friend. Remember, for dessert, remember when you're trying to reach protein and fiber goals, you can look not only to the entree, but the appetizers or sides to see how you can fit protein and fiber onto the plate. Here are a couple of other pancake options, that local version you may have, or a 3-ingredient recipe from the kitchen. It's very fast and easy. If you want the PDF or digital version to these, you can find them on my website. At Weston Nutrition and Wellness, we support food allergies and GI. We cover 17 states. Please reach out if you have any questions. And again, if you want a digital copy or print copy of that recipe, use the QR code seen here.